Good morning, guys. This is Friday after NFP. I'm trying to catch a move here to targeting the initial low that we found at 9:30. So we bumped the green shaded area, which is the high of the suspension block on the daily chart. Then you saw the reaction there, formed a bull flag there that I'm trying to fade. So one of the scalps that I've found works so well for me is targeting the initial high or the initial low that forms after 9:30. So in this case, I'm favoring the sell side on the initial low and a few handles below it. But this model for scalping does not work when the day is parabolic. It's just moving one direction. That one can frustrate you because sometimes the market will open and then at 9:30 it will just run and it will keep pumping up, or just moving down one direction. Should this come to fruition, that will be a 95 handle scalp. A lot of volatility. This is post NFP. NFP went higher, but actually we formed a very nice market maker sell model, but I was not on the charts, so we actually saw it after. So you can see that bump high, then this was a very nice market maker sell model. And I have a feeling they may bump that initial low once more. So that's why I've taken this trade. I'm sorry for the guys who normally request that I record the videos on the laptop, because the phone sometimes will give you a very small screen to watch, especially if you're watching it on your computer. But unfortunately, I'm not able to do it when I'm using my phone, because right now I'm using my phone to watch price, but I'm trying to explain the reason why I'm taking the trade. So at 10 a.m. we have a news driver, actually two red folders. So we'll be expecting some injection of volatility at 10, which is in about 2 minutes or so. So far we've respected the first presented fair value gap, which is a BC. Price has not been able to move below it. We are trading above it right now. It's 10 a.m. I think we'll see some volatility now from here. No displacement yet. Back and forth price action. This is typical of a day where we have NFP. There's usually a lot of manipulation. So the initial high after 10 a.m. we're just piercing it now. Let me annotate where my focus is, that sell side liquidity, which is the initial low that we formed, the very first swing low that we formed after the opening bell at 9:30. So that would be the initial sell side of the day with reference to regular trading hours. So there are sell stops below that. So right now we're in the middle of the range formed from 9:30. We're trading in the middle of that range, and the high is right here. So I have my stop loss just below the high. So that's where we have the initial buy side liquidity of the day. Again, with reference to regular trading hours, because regular trading hours we opened at 9:30. So that's the current dealing range that we are operating inside at the moment, but I favor the sell side first. So now we are approaching the first presented fair value gap. I would like us to go below it, and then now we attack the sell side. So now we are inside that first presented fair value gap, which is on the left. Let's annotate it here. Then we can extend it to the right, because we'll need to refer to it throughout today. extend it perpetually to the right. So we've closed below it, which is good. So now from where it is, if it is to revisit the first presented fair value gap, I'd like to see the upper half respected, or price not to revisit the upper half of it. And now with this here, we can be able to remove risk on the trade. It's moved about 75% of the target we are aiming for, so can drop this to better than break even now, but not too aggressively, because you can see there's a lot of volatility. So now it's within striking distance to attack that initial sell side liquidity, and if they animate the candles in the next one or two candles, it should be able to take out that limit order to take me out of the trade, and that will yield 95 handles. I think that's a good range for a scalp. Yeah, there you have it.